All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today we are here on the southwest Las Vegas Valley, on the west side of the 15, on the south side of the Las Vegas Valley. So today we are standing here in a new community called Silverado Valley. There are a total of 124 lots. You have anywhere from 1,900 square feet all the way up to 4,000 square feet of living space. HOAs are going to be $57 a month. You have 9 different floor plans, but today we have a total of 6 floor plans to walk through. The pricing will start you off at $405,000 all the way up to $548,000. Now keep in mind, price may change. What's great about this location, you're less than 5 minutes from the 15. Also, if you want to go out to California, just right here, the 15, just head on south. You do have casinos like the South Point and also the M Casino. You are about 20 minutes from Harry Reid International Airport and about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip if you guys want to gamble. Now you do have shopping that's nearby. You do have Costco's located on the east side of the 15, less than about 15 minutes away. In addition to that, you do have Smith's on the west side here, just about 5 minutes. So you have all the grocery shopping that you need here. And this community is located right next to Southern Highlands, which is another master plan community. For more video content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up too as well. That definitely helps out the algorithm. But most importantly, hit that notification button. The reason why you want to hit that notification button is so that way you can be up to date with new communities just like this. We talked about this. Early bird gets the worm. The sooner you can get into the track, the cheaper it is going to be for you. Other than that, till next time, I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas. Peace!